YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. I already started off with my eyebrows done because I already have an eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, so I figured you guys didn't need to watch me do them again. And I already primed my eyelids with this concealer. It's Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin, and it's in the shade Deep. This is what I primed and I did my eyebrows with. This is what I primed my eyelids with. So the look I was going for today, I seen a look of it on Instagram and I was like, I want to retry to do that look. Don't mind my nubby fingers, I just took my nails off. I feel like I could do hair and makeup better without my nails being on because I haven't been wearing them for so long. So yeah, hopefully this video comes out very good and what I'm expecting it to do. Look, I'm a real YouTuber and I have a backdrop. Purple shade. I don't know if that's called Life. I don't know if it's called Life. I don't know if that's the L or I. But it's gonna be this purple shade right here. We're gonna start off with that purple shade. We're gonna put that in the crease of my eye. And this is in the Magic Minis by Juvias. This is the Juvias Place palette. So yeah, we're gonna start off with that color and put that color in the crease. And if you see me looking this way, it's because I have a mirror here that's broken, but it's okay, it still works just fine. But yeah, we're gonna start off with that color and we're gonna use these brushes don't have names on them. Okay. Oh, this one does. It's a shadow brush. It says shadow brush. I think I got this from Walmart. Well, I didn't get it. Somebody got it for me for Christmas from Walmart. But this is the brush that we're going to use to go into the crease. Like a real dark purple. And we're going to put that in the crease. I'm going to build it up in there first so it can blend out a little better. I've been wanting to have like a Q&A with you guys, but like I'm gonna figure out how to incorporate it into videos. Like I want you guys to ask me questions and stuff so you guys can get to know me more. Just like that. I'm just gonna keep building the color up. And then I'm gonna take my other brush. We're gonna take the purple that's in the crayon case. So we're gonna take this purple. The light is so bright, you guys can really, let's see from back here. We're gonna take this purple and blend the darker purple out. Then I want to add a little pink up here at the top and blend the purple in. So I'm going to take the pink that's in the same crayon case. So I'm going to take this color right here, it's pink. The colors that are in here are literally named after the colors. So it's like blue, that's blue, orange, orange, pink, pink, well this is magenta. White, purple, like they're all in the same, they're the colors that you wouldn't normally know as the colors, which is cool. I like this palette a lot. I'm gonna take the pink and I'm gonna blend it into the purple at the top. It's an easy kind of look. So we're gonna cut the crease and we're gonna cut it all the way to the end. So we're gonna take this flat brush. You can barely see it from right there. So we're gonna take this flat brush and the same concealer that I used to prime my eyelids. We're gonna take that same concealer, the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. I'm gonna take that same concealer. I put it on the back of my hand. So we're gonna take that concealer, put a little bit on the brush, and then we're gonna cut the crease all the way across. I hate that this brush is like that at the ends. I feel like it's gonna mess it up because the brush is kind of like, if you can, yeah, you can see it. It's like messed up. I feel like it's gonna mess up my cut. Shade that is in the Juvias, it's in another Juvias palette. Her palettes are good. I know a lot of people are saying that she's canceled, but her palettes are good. I don't know. So we're gonna use the Masquerade mini palette, and the color that we're gonna use out of this one is gonna be this peach shade, and it's called Bori. This color is so good. I mean, this color is so pretty. Like, that's the most dug out color in the whole palette. It's getting there. It's not fully there, but it's getting there. So we're gonna take that shade, and we're gonna take another flat brush, like the same one that I used to put the darker purple on. We're gonna take that same kind of brush, just like that, and we're gonna pack it onto the crease we cut. Seen a look that was similar. It's not this exact look, so that's why I didn't quote the person that I seen the look from, but it was something like this, and I just wanted to add my own little touch to it. It's the same color coordinate, but it wasn't the same way of like how they did it. Same colors though. And put a little bit more at the end there. And then we're gonna take that same brush that I blended the pink out and blend the outer corners out a little more. Just like that. So now that we're done with this side, we're gonna go off camera and do this side. So eye is done. To me, this eye always turns out better with the eyeshadow, and this eye always turns out better with the crease. Don't mind my hand. Okay, so I'm gonna clean like the ends of my eyes and under them with makeup wipe. The makeup wipes I use are, if anyone wants to know, you can't even see. They're by Equate. They're like 97 cents in Walmart. And they work good for 97 cents. Touch this one. So I'm just gonna wipe. Yes, my face does get red when I wipe too hard. Eyes no. So here we're just gonna wipe off any oils that we have, and now we're gonna add oil. I have combination skin, so I get oily around my nose, on my forehead, on my chin, around my mouth. It's by Equate, and it's a dry skin facial cream. They have a on brand one in pods. I still has not, like, I got bit right here and it made my eye swell up right here, so it's like a dark spot right there, and it still hasn't went away. Then we're gonna take NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. And we're gonna prime my face so then it doesn't get clumpy. Oops. But yeah, that's how I put it on. I don't put it all over my face because all over my face doesn't get oily. The foundation that we're gonna use is in Fenty Beauty, and I'm in the shade 400, which you can't see, so why am I showing you? I'm in the shade 400. And I'm gonna take my foundation brush. This is the brush that I use to apply my foundation. It's like a kabuki brush, but it's not as big as a kabuki brush. And it's flat. It's like slanted. So we're gonna take 1, 2, 3 drops. That's 1 pump. But 3 drops in 3 different spots. Fenty Beauty setting powder, and this is in the shade Hazelnut, if you can see that. And we're gonna set brush to put the powder on. A ghost right now. So now we're gonna contour. And the palette I use to contour is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I use these 2 colors to contour. I want to get a new contour either a contour stick, contour powder, liquid, something. I want to get something because I feel like this one, it's dark, but it's not like what I want it to be. So I got my lashes on. This is the final look. My lashes kind of looking kind of wacky. Yeah, this is the final look. It's cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Leave feedback and like questions that you guys might want to know about me, or yeah, any makeup looks that you might want to see me try out. I'm not gonna say do because I might not succeed in doing it. I'm still learning.
Wake up.